another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to be Mona the vampire. So at the moment I'm the nice normal girl in an ordinary world version of Mona, and now I'm going to show you how to transform yourself into Mona the vampire. So all you're going to need is a red cardigan and a white shirt with some sort of bow and a black skirt to act as normal Mona. And then to add on the vampire stuff, you need pipe cleaners or wire to make your hair stand out when it's in pleats. Just elastics and red and yellow bows if you want to go completely accurate, but I don't have those and I didn't really want to buy them just for the sake of it. So yeah, I don't have red and yellow bows, I'll just be using normal elastics for my hair. And you also need a purple cape, or if like me you could find a purple cape. I just used a normal black vampire cape with a red collar and found a purple transparent one and sewed them together. So yeah, that's what I did. But let's show you how to do Mona the vampire here. So first step, all I'm going to do is pleat my hair. So I always like to French pleat my hair. You don't have to French pleat it if you don't want to, but I'm just doing this to help get rid of my fringe. So I'm just French pleating from the top. To do a French pleat, all you do is grab bits from each side and bring it into the middle and then pleat like a normal pleat. And then bring in another bit and just continue all the way down. And then once I've got to the end, I'm not going to bring any of this in. All I'm going to do is pleat the rest of the hair down. Like so. And then I'm just going to tie it off with a little elastic. I have a mixture of white and clear ones. And yeah. I think I'm going to go ahead and do 5 pleats around my hair. So from here, I'm not going to bother French pleating this part. I only wanted to French pleat the front to keep my fringe out of my face. But again, just do a normal 3-strand braid, split it into 3 sections and just kind of wrap them around each other. I'm really bad at explaining how to do pleats. If you don't know how to do pleats, I recommend watching someone else show you how to do pleats. But yeah. And this time I'll take a clear elastic just to sort of mix and match it. I'll get back to you once I've finished doing pleats because I'm pretty sure most of you will know how to do them. And right now I'm just doing the back one. And it's always hard to pleat at the back of your head. So now that my hair is looking rather crazy, I'm now going to put in some pipe cleaners. Now I definitely recommend using wire, but I couldn't find wire last minute. So I got pipe cleaners and it's not going to blend in with my hair at all. But we're just going to have to go with it. So we're going to take a red one, I think. And we'll just need to cut it to sort of size. So just kind of measuring out the length of my plate. And then I'll just trim off the excess. You want it to go about 3/4 of the way down the plate. And then I've never done this before, so I have no idea what I'm doing. But we're just going to insert it in and we're going to try and thread it through the plate. Change of plan, the pipe cleaners didn't work, so I'm going to use Kirby grips. Or if you're from America, bobby pins. And I'm just going to hold the plates up with the bobby pins. So you would do this, just kind of hold it up like that, and then put the Kirby grip or bobby pin underneath it to sort of hold it up like so. Obviously if it had wire it would stay out better, but I'll just try and manipulate my hair with Kirby grips. Yeah, as I said, wire would have worked so much better than pipe cleaners, but that's all I could find last minute. Just got to make things like this work. That'll do. And then sort of do the same by pinning this right up. This is a flattering angle. And then I'll put one at the front just to kind of hold that up. So I put in a cheeky little pipe cleaner there and you can see it, but for the purpose of this video that is essentially my hair kind of done. And now I'll show you my cape. So this is essentially my Mona the vampire outfit complete. I'm just going to like stand up because this is a really unflattering angle. Let's find good lighting in the house. That's almost an impossible task. Yes, this is the finished look complete. I actually have like one of the types of fangs that you can reuse. but I can't wear them because I have like behind the teeth retainers in, and you're not allowed to wear like fake vampire teeth with them, which is absolutely gutting. But if I did, then it would be the Scarecrow Petite Deluxe fangs. I absolutely love them so much. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another Halloween themed video. Bye!